Yo, what's up guys, and today's we be playing Animal Company Winter Update. I just saw this update right now, and we're gonna go explore it and see what's new and what changed. Let's go. So everything's all snowy from the picture on Discord. So yeah, we got one downstairs. Okay, we got one. So what we're gonna do is explore, see what's there. I was able to fix my ions before the update. So yeah, what we're gonna do is get a flashlight and this. Okay, this whole place is all. Well, I died. Let's go. So this whole place is snowing. They're all gathered around. Oh my god. Why is that? One Punch Man. More trees. One Punch Man. Angular. And an ogre. Oh. And a present. I feel like it's not very good. I'm gonna go to church on the movie. Huh. Everything looks fine at chicken. So, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. If you guys want to join the code I joined, I'm gonna need I'm gonna make the second movie a part of the movie. It's all the whole thing. But part 2, I'm gonna need actors for it. Yeah. So what we're gonna do right now is try getting the chicken. That's what we're gonna get. I saw this where they can grab, you can ride monsters now. It's crazy. Ow! I don't even let it be. Are you serious? Oh, I just got back from San Antonio. I was just looking for a doctor's appointment, so. Angler's there. Well, we're gonna have the further distraction. How to get the chicken egg and also without dying. So that's how it ties. Well, our task is let's say grab a can of Coke. That's what it is. Oh my god, guys, I'm too scared. Let's get an RPG. Oh, where is it? There we go. An RPG ammo. Load this up. Put this here. And yeah. We're gonna go to the frozen lake. Let's go. Oh. Oh, it's not icy. Also makes noise too. Okay, we found the present area. You just saw it area. I'm not sure what it does. I'm too scared. I'm just gonna back away because I'm too scared. What is? Oh, I missed, guys. I suck. That's my aiming sucks. Never mind, we can just grab a bomb. Hey guys, here. Oh my god, guys, what is that? Oh, we almost got hit in the face. There's a chicken egg right there. So I got it. Come on, kill them all. It won't even damage. Ah. Nope. Nope. Loser. Loser. Convenience, bro. I wanna go. Oh my god, guys, let's go. We just killed it. Really? Really? You have to activate now? Let me just get pregnant. That's it. Come on, get the present. Get the present. You need to get the present, guys. Gotcha. It's a bat, guys. Let's go. What can we do with bat? We need a crossbow. That's all we need. I saw a box already. I just saw a box. No, I think I'm actually stuff. I just need to get the egg. Get the egg. Get the egg. Get the egg, guys. You can do lots of stuff with the egg. My bomb. Regular bomb. We're gonna buy 2 bombs. I don't know. Exactly. Buy a bomb, I guess. Bomb. I think so. So I can buy this one. Maybe this one. That sucks. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, move. No. Yo! Hey, boy. Oh, that was cool. Come on. And I missed. We bring the boom, and that's what we do. No, 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 no. What? I'm just trying to get the prizes, okay? Oh, oh hell. Oh, oh. Let's look out, guys. I miss. Oh, wait, I got one. We just got a ray gun, guys. We just got a ray gun. This is very easy. Freaking. Where's the ray gun? Okay. Oh my god. Well, guys, this will be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more updates, and Discord links if you want to see it. Check out Discord, and yeah. Goodbye, and I hope I get my stuff in the next video. I'm gonna go kill myself.